just the beard.
See how you have like a you have like a gap right here? It's gonna be a little bit lighter because you don't want any type of like blend on the sideburn or anything. You want it like all solid, right?
Yeah.
Happen, you're gonna have like that gap here, like super pronounced if I go on with the machine. It's exactly what I wanted. The back, I still left it like not wispy, but like clean. You know what I mean? All right, bro.